Hey, hello, welcome back to Arana's channel, a channel that contains for fresh informations every day. In this time, I want to discuss about how to build rich mindset. Do you want to be a millionaire? Many people want to be success in their life, but they forget something important. Yes, mindset. A millionaire mindset is not about making millions money. It's about changing your life better. Here are how to build your right mindset. Let's check it out. Number 1. Focus on your goals. Everybody has different goals in their life. Write down your goals and place it in where you'll see often. It will help you to remind about your goals. Number 2. Always learning. World is always over new things to be learned. So explore them and learn about new skills until you find anything and reach everything you know. Number 3. Networking. Don't stay at home. Go out there and make relationships with passionate people and share the same drive as you. Make them as friends and discuss together about your future. Number 4. Enjoy the process. It needs time to reach good things. Rome is not built in one night, so you should be patient. Everything needs a process, so enjoy the process. Number 5. Accept mistakes. Mistakes in life are common. Accept them and try to correct it well. Learn about them and you can grow after learning about your mistakes. Number 6. Be respectful. It's okay to feel disappointed, but still you have to be respectful to everyone who helped you along the way. Pay attention about them. Number 7. Believe in yourself. If you fail, still believe in yourself. Believe that you are strong and you have capability to reach goals. Do the best and keep learning. Anyway, being rich is every people's dream. It's not an easy thing, but it's not an impossible thing also. Need a rich mental to reach it. Of course, you should have good effort. Last, you need a good rest before you struggle tomorrow. So, good luck. If you like this video, please comment, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.